Has Apple once again outperformed expectations in its recent earnings report? Let's explore. The tech giant reported earnings per share of $1.53 on a whopping revenue of $90.8 billion, handily surpassing what the analysts had predicted, but the good news doesn't stop there. Apple has also announced a new share repurchase plan to the tune of $110 billion. This move is a clear vote of confidence in the company's future prospects, and it's a signal that Apple believes its shares are undervalued. This has certainly given the investors something to cheer about, and as a result, we've seen a surge in Apple's stock. So, what does this all add up to? A strong quarter for one of the world's most valuable companies, and a positive outlook for the future. This earnings beat and share repurchase plan have certainly given Apple's stock a boost. Moving on to Apple's performance in Greater China. Now, there's no denying that the tech giant has faced its fair share of challenges in this region. From intense competition to political tensions, the road hasn't always been smooth. But the latest earnings report tells a story of resilience and growth. Apple's revenue in Greater China has exceeded expectations, demonstrating the company's ability to navigate through obstacles and continue to thrive. In particular, the mainland China market has shown some impressive growth during this quarter. This is a testament to Apple's strategic approach, effective marketing, and the continued appeal of their product range. The performance in Greater China, therefore, is not just about numbers. It's about Apple's commitment to this market and their ability to adapt, innovate, and grow amidst challenges. Despite the challenges, Apple's strong performance in Greater China showcases the company's resilience. Now let's delve into the key financial highlights of Apple's earnings report. While iPhone revenue saw a bit of a dip, it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, Mac and iPad revenue really stole the show, exceeding all expectations. This goes to show that Apple's product range is diverse and robust, capable of weathering fluctuations in market trends. But that's not all. Wearables revenue, which includes popular items like AirPods and Apple Watch, put on a strong performance, affirming Apple's dominance in the tech accessories space. And let's not forget about services. Apple's services revenue reached an all-time high, climbing to a whopping $23.87 billion. This category includes everything from iCloud storage plans to Apple Music subscriptions, and it's clear that consumers are embracing these services in droves. These financial highlights clearly demonstrate Apple's diversified revenue streams. What does the future hold for Apple? Let's take a look at the outlook and analyst expectations. Apple is setting its sights on continued growth, expecting low single-digit revenue growth in the current quarter. This might seem modest, but let's not forget the double-digit growth forecast for services revenue. This is significant, as services have become a key part of Apple's business model. Now, what about the analysts? They're not just optimistic, they're bullish. JP Morgan, for instance, has raised its price target for Apple to $225 per share. This suggests a strong belief in the company's potential for continued growth and success. So, what's the takeaway here? Apple's future looks bright. With a positive growth forecast and strong backing from analysts, the tech giant seems well positioned to continue its winning streak. With a positive outlook and strong analyst expectations, Apple seems poised for continued success. Innovation is at the heart of Apple's strategy. Let's talk about their focus on AI and the upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference. As we look toward the future, there's an undeniable buzz around Apple's AI strategy. The tech giant is preparing for its annual Worldwide Developers Conference, or WWDC, where it's set to unveil its latest operating systems. But that's not all. A significant part of the discussion will revolve around AI. Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, has been vocal about the company's strategic positioning in the evolving AI landscape. He emphasizes Apple's unique advantages, from its vast user base to its integrated hardware-software ecosystem. The company isn't just riding the AI wave, it's actively shaping it, and as the WWDC approaches, we can expect to hear more about how AI is woven into the fabric of Apple's innovations. With a strong focus on AI and the upcoming WWDC, Apple continues to push the boundaries of innovation.